What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide on how to create an account on Remitly money transfer app. Whether you are looking to send money internationally or manage your finances, this guide will help you set up your Remitly account quickly and easily. First, ensure internet connection. Check your device's internet connection. If you are not connected, go to your Wi-Fi settings. Connect your preferred Wi-Fi network by entering the password if required. Now open the Google Play Store in the search box, type Remitly, and after you find the Remitly app, download and install the Remitly application. If it is already installed, locate the Remitly app on your device and tap to open it. After tapping the app, choose the language you prefer, as you can see on my screen. After that, click Continue. On the main screen, tap on the Create a New Profile button to begin the account creation process. After that, choose the country in the From and To section like mine, as you can see on my screen. After choosing a country, tap Continue. From here, it's up to you if you want to create an account through the Remitly app, or you can choose to continue with Google or Apple for fast process creation. Mine is that I will tap Continue with Google, so let me tap on it. A new tab will open, so just do the credentials for creating an account in Remitly. After that, the app will ask you if you want to enable biometrics, or you can just skip it for now by tapping Not Now. And there you have successfully created an account to Remitly money transfer app. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.